Hi, my name's Amy Barrett-Daffin, and I'm the publisher at C&T Publishing. And today I want to talk to you about our half square triangle quilt builder design deck. And that is this awesome little product here. And inside of it, you get 100 cards. And these cards show you how to design using half square triangles. Now, when I first opened that box, I was a little overwhelmed. There's 100 cards. They're two-sided. And I was like, how do I even get started? So I came up with an idea, and I'm going to share it with you today. So let me show you how I did it, and then you give it a try and you let me know how it works for you. And if you have any great ideas, please make sure to let us know. All right, so here we go. So what I did was I looked at how many cards there were, and I looked at how many options there were. And you can see on the lid of the box that there are 10 different value options and card options. So the first thing I did was I sorted it out so that I had 8 of each one. And the reason that I did that was I was figuring with a traditional quilt block, it would be enough, 8 would be enough options to do what I wanted to do. So I went into my library and I pulled out the New Ladies Art Company Quick and Easy Block Tool. The great thing about the Quick and Easy Block Tools, they're all laid out the same way. And so the first thing that they do is they give you a list of the blocks, the index by name, and then they also break them down into the different grids. And then they also tell you if they're pre-cut friendly. And then you go into it, and what you see here is first you get just a schematic, then you get a grayscale schematic, then you get the exploded grayscale schematic to show you how to piece it together, and then we give you a colorway. And then what it gives you is all the instructions for how to cut the fabric, and it gives you for different block sizes from 5-inch to 15-inch. And so you get to decide how big your block is going to be, and we give you the cutting instructions. We also give you some design options, and then we tell you how to cut it for that design option. They're awesome tools. We've done 3 or 4, and they make quilting so much easier. The block that I picked out for this exercise is Old Tippy Canoe, and I liked it because I liked how distinct the values were. And so we're going to start with that one, and then I'm going to show you what happens when we switch it up. So the first thing that I did was I looked at my picture and I said, okay, these are using a white and a lighter gray. So I grabbed my white and my lighter gray and I put it into position, and then it uses a light and a darker gray. So then that one goes like that. And you can see in the picture that's how it goes. And then I grabbed another dark gray and I put it down the same way as the picture. And then I grabbed another light gray and I put it down the same as the picture. And then I just built my block. So I'm going to go ahead and build my block, and then you'll see what it looks like once it's all built. So this is the first version of the block, and you can see how it comes together, and it's exactly like the picture in the book. If I wanted to switch these up and really change it, how would I do that? So the first thing that I did was play with making it darker with more contrast. So all of a sudden what you see is I created these 2 squares here. And this is the same block. It's still the Old Tippy Canoe. Now, one idea that I had was that you could take a photograph of this, which is what I did with my cell phone, and then you could print out a bunch of copies and lay them out and see what the different repeat patterns are. So then let's just try another switch up and see what happens when we decide to go even with a different set of value cards. Still have the gray scales, but it really changes it up. So now you can see sort of what the magic is of this tool and how you can switch things up. So I'm going to do one more. I'm going to take the black and the white and really go for super high contrast. And once again, here's another version of the Old Tippy Canoe. But wow, that pops. That is so different. This is just a great way to play with this block tool. So it's the half square triangle quilt block design deck. If you like this, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much.